My name is Dave. I work for Aspire Clyde North. 16 years in this industry that I have been working. So I have got different background. I have worked in cafes, restaurants, pub, and finally I came to the childcare industry. A child deserves a healthy, nutritious meal, not just the boiled vegetables or mashed foods. So from morning tea, lunch, and then the afternoon tea, if a child is eating everything, whatever they have been served, it actually fulfill the requirement of 75% of their daily nutritional requirement. So as a father, when my child goes to the center, I'm quite relaxed in that way because they are actually having, first thing, the nutritional healthy meals. Secondly, it fulfills their requirement for the daily nutritional needs. And the most rewarding thing working in this industry is I feel that I'm the part of their development. Those initial 5 years of a child's age is so crucial. So once we develop a habit, once we develop a liking, or once we, I would say, connect with the food, what we eat, we becomes. It's for every organ of our body. So if we can make them or encourage them to eat or make the healthy choices with the food, this is gonna be with them for the rest of their lives.